Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorials. We are going to be doing something very simple and very quick. I want to do something related to the former or my previous post, which is the Judah poster. I want to do something because I recorded the video and I posted it without having like an explanation or just a speed out video, and it's just showing you the quick step of how I do this one. So I'm going to do something similar to it, but not entirely it. So let's just jump into this. So I already have my color palette. I've shown you how to do those color palette things. It's straightforward thing. Usually blend to. I'll show you how to do the color palette. And okay, so let's get back into. Okay, so we're going to take this into Photoshop and edit it really quick. So edit in Photoshop. Yeah, so have this. We're going to remove the background by going to remove background. And yeah, it's not that clean, so use our hands or use a manual method to go about that. So we'll select and mask, and then we'll just select a part of this, drag over it. So hold on the Alt key in this case, and click on that. Good, so have this. And let's just see if we do anything there on the refine hair. Okay, so nothing's done, so we can just create a new layer there. And we can delete this if you want that to be gone. I will add a highlight and shadow effect. Let's see. Good. You can also go into camera raw filter. And just build clarity and so on. And say okay. We can apply this filter gallery. And we can go with poster edges, which is already there. Say okay. And so I think that's good. Okay, so because of this cloud, we can maybe just touch some of the edges and take off some of those things. So we go to the erase tool. The erase tool is there. We'll ensure it's blurred, ensure it's soft round. We could drop the opacity not to be too harsh, so we can take this Okay, so we have this, and we can save this as a PSD and then take it into Photoshop, into Adobe Illustrator. So we can relink it from Adobe Illustrator here. Yep. But now let's work on the background. So we're going to have our main background here, and we choose the dark color right over there, and we're going to have different just going to have a rectangle shape, have it multiple in different, like probably maybe 9 or 8 of them or something like that. Or let's go 7, I think so. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I think 10 will be okay. Select everything, deselect that, and deselect the background. Make it smaller. But instead of that, we can just leave only one. The reason is that when we work with one, we can duplicate it and have more. So let's work with this first. We have this, Ctrl C, Ctrl F, paste in the middle there. We're going to choose a very bright color right over there. We'll select that, and we'll select this, and scale it down. So like this one, we're going to maybe distort it, but not be too much, just a little. That reduce. Okay. Select the two, Ctrl Alt B. Well, I think we can do something much like so. Ctrl C, Ctrl F, scale it down inside, select a more brighter color. Okay, I think that's the brighter color, so we'll select this one as the black one. So we'll have this. Good. Now we can duplicate this and create enough space here. Ctrl D, Ctrl D, D, D to have duplicates of those. Yeah. So I think that's okay. Select everything, deselect the background too, and yeah, so have them like pillars like that, like pillars like so. So I think this is good. Yep, we could lock them, but I just prefer we leave them first in case we can lock them, then if we want to edit them, we just open it later. So Ctrl G, Ctrl 2, which is to lock, so it's only the background that is left open. And let's bring this to the front. We can think of a better place to stay, like so. Sorry. Okay, so good. We could call I don't know title to give it, or angelic thoughts or something like that. Angelic thoughts is angelic thoughts. Angelic thoughts. Use momentum, because I think that's the font that will say well. Yeah. We rotate it. We have this color here. Nope. And I want to apply something like ingredients to this background. So Ctrl C, Ctrl F, place in front, bring this there. Something lighter. Select the two, go on this, and we have that. We could rotate it, add something like maybe a tweak, like so, like that. Let me say okay. We could change that and add specified steps. Maybe say okay. Just to edit that, come to this one at the center there, and then maybe we can consider adjusting our tweaks. So now this will be overlay. Yep, like so. You could say not just thought. Dream it. Then we could have something like not just dream it. Leave it. Is that? So just have this duplicated more. Yep, so we have this, and maybe something to indicate like a rise and a, should I say a rise and a fall? Yeah, I think so. I don't know what to do exactly again, but let's try and apply. Let's try and make this an overlay. Let's try and apply an overlay to it, or is it? I think yes, there's an overlay or something like that. An overlay, yeah, effect on it, something like that. So we go back here, and then we unlock it, so we can be able to apply those. So we come here, go to opacity. I will go to overlay. Yes, we have that. Let's see how it looks. Bring it forward there. Yeah, I think this is good. I think this is good. It is very good. Then what again? I think we can draw. Just have maybe some drawings, some bright drawings in it, or a ring circle. A ring circle would be much better if you put that on it, probably on it or around its neck. So let me just do that quickly, and I'll show you how to. So have a circle. We could wrap it like this. We might remove that fill, add a stroke. And so it's for you to determine whether you want it to be like that. So let's say this one will be in front and this one will go to the back. Or we could rotate it. Rotate it like this. Yep, so let's cut this part. But so before we do that, we'll go to object, go to expand, we'll expand it, and then we can come to erase. And then if you want to could erase that part and erase this part. So we have that. Click out, then click this, double click that, and take that off. So click outside, come this to change it to white. So now we add a blur effect to that Gaussian blur and ensure it's like 1. Okay, Ctrl C, Ctrl F, Gaussian again, 10, Ctrl C, Ctrl F, Gaussian again, 20, Ctrl C, Ctrl F, Gaussian again, 30, Ctrl C, Ctrl F, Gaussian again, 40. So we have enough Gaussian to go around. And we will go into our layers here to ensure we see those guys that are grouped. Yeah. So you understand? So we know this, and this, and this, and this. We can group them again so they become one. So we'll take that off, everybody goes off. And if we select it, we can scale it Now the only disadvantage you have when scaling it is that it's going to come inside, and now you need to erase again. Okay, just this part. So I think this is okay. So we have this, and we have the ring on it, and then we can have given now a title. I think the title should be "Don't Just Dream It." Don't just dream it. Leave it. So we have our text. Let's go to Gemini and generate something. We have our text there, come back there, paste, and we have a font called Clash Cortex. Top, auto. If I keep it here, I think it will be okay. I think it will be okay. Yeah. Now we have that there. Then we can just have the rest. Maybe as long as the first one is showing, the rest can leave behind. Yep, I think this is cool. This is very cool. Anything I think to add? Nope. I think this is very okay. So this is the end of how it looks like, and I will see you guys in the next one. Please, if you know you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. You can also refer, share it to your friends and your loved ones and those that you know are interested in graphic design and want to learn something like this. So the background is created from scratch, as you have seen from the beginning to this point, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.